Ladies and gentlemen, today be listening to none other than Sleep Token. This is live. This is Rain. Teeth of God Tour 2024, Cedar Park, Texas. Yep, this is live. They said it's 4K. We're gonna see what this hit on. This is my first time reacting to them live. So, I'm a big Sleep Token guy over here. You also can catch my Sleep Token playlist on my channel. And we about to dive into this, see what they are hitting on. Let's rock, let's roll, let's get it.
For so long I have waited, so long that I almost became just a story, statue fit for nobody. I don't wanna get in your way, but I finally think I can say that the vicious cycle was over the moment you.
I'm gonna like this song, man. I've never seen them live, so might not even say anything, but I will commentate. I will. Don't get me twisted over here. I will commentate though. But this is sound like it's gonna be a good song. I like the build-ups into the breakdown of the heavy metal / rock and roll, but it's more like heavy metal to me.
For so long I have waited, so long that I almost became just a story, statue fit for nobody. I don't wanna get in your way, but I finally think I can say that the vicious cycle was over the moment you smiled at me. Just like the rain, you cast the dust into nothing and wash out the soul from my earth. So touch me again, I feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse I open my eyes to the future, I can hear you say my name. Rain down on me. Oh, rain down on me. Oh, rain down on me. Oh, rain down on me. Rain down on me. Yeah, rain down on me. Rain down on me. Oh, rain down on me.
So there you have it. Sleep Token, Rain, live, Cedar Park, Texas. If you want more Sleep Token, put it in the comment section. We're going to have more anyway. Don't wait until it's over. No, I'm just messing with you. Don't know what I was saying right there. I was just going off the deep end right there. But that was Sleep Token, Rain. First time watching it. First time watching him live. It was a hype show. He's hype. I like it. If you want more, you know what to do. I'm your host of Ron Uncut 2.0. I'm Misha God, and I'm out, y'all. L's.